As long as it's legit, there's nothing wrong with free money. That's why we always try to be on the lookout for crypto airdrops. And this month's airdrops are no different. In fact, they're knocking on your door, on our door. We've done all the field work and the legwork for you, the research and the heavy lifting. Now you only need to complete the required tasks. As always, a best practice is to use a burner wallet when connecting to these platforms. But with that in mind, these are solid projects. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest, whether it's airdrops or in the other altcoins that we talk about. Remember guys, I'm not a professional financial or investment advisor. And so of course, this video is not official financial or investment advice. So we're going to be going through 3 projects in today's airdrop video. The first of which is GammaX. It's a decentralized exchange for derivatives, but they use an order book. So this gives it an advantage. It gives you, for example, the speed, the performance, and the liquidity advantages that you typically would find in a centralized exchange. But since it's a DEX, i.e. a decentralized exchange, there's no need to complete a KYC procedure. So to clarify, and you probably already know this, but just in case, KYC refers to Know Your Customer. This is a procedure that centralized exchanges need to follow. The beauty with Gamma is that you remain in control with governance, with self-custody, and with security on the blockchain. But just keep in mind that GammaX is still in beta testing. They're not going to release their mainnet until this summer. So as with other projects and platforms that are in need of beta testers, this is where you can earn airdrop revenue. Now, GammaX has a pre-token rewards program. Filling out the form to take part in the beta test earns you 100 points right out of the gate. The requirements for that are pretty minimal. You only need to create an account and add your MetaMask wallet address. Once again, the best practice here would be to use a burner wallet. Once you sign up, you're going to want to check out the newly launched rewards dashboard. That's where there's all kinds of various tasks that are waiting for you that allow you to earn points. For example, you can join the Learn and Earn program. This has plenty of learning programs available. And for each program you complete, of course, you earn more points. And using a referral code, you can also refer 2 people per day. They only need to sign up and provide a MetaMask address. This also earns you more points. If you'd like to sign up using our referral code, I'll be sure to link to this in the description of the video below. All right, moving right along. Second on our list here is Supra Oracles, which, as the name implies, and as you can probably surmise, is an oracle. However, they supercharge oracles. So this gives blockchains, for instance, better, faster, more accurate, and more secure off-chain data. These guys have been hard at work building and seem ready to take off. Currently, their testnet is live on 34 chains, some of which include Aptos, Arbitrum, BNB, ETH, Phantom, Kava, Moonbeam, Polygon, Sui, lots of others as well, so big names. But let's concentrate on the airdrop for now. Their public beta has just ended, and they're now ready to kick off the official launch. And as a result, Supra Oracles has paused some features in order to improve them, and this includes an even bigger rewards program, so not too bad. And in the meantime, they're keeping the sign-up and referral program active, and by taking advantage of that, you start to earn stars and Supra tokens. First things first though, click the continue button once you've put in your email address and password to sign up. Once that's done, you need to complete the KYC procedure, and this qualifies you for all kinds of Supra airdrops and token rewards. That's Supra, S-U-P-R-A. You've already earned 6 stars just for signing up, and of course there's more to come once Supra Oracles approves your KYC. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that, you can start earning points and rewards by completing tasks. So for instance, a referral program or joining missions, and then each completed mission earns you more rewards. Now, my initial KYC, just full disclosure, that failed, so I do need to complete it again. But the rest of it was simple enough. I passed this one and got 30 stars, also earned 200 Supra tokens. If you guys are looking for a Supra Oracles sign-up link using our referral, I'll also include this in the description below. All right, and number 3, last but not least on our list, we're looking at Scroll, which is a native ZK EVM Layer 2 solution for Ethereum. You guys may remember, hopefully, that ZK stands for Zero Knowledge, and this is how you can prove something without sharing crucial or important or incriminating data or information. Many people, including myself in crypto and beyond, consider this to be groundbreaking technology. It's going to play a major role for blockchain in general. And so to make sure everything is working correctly, they have a test net. And of course, we're going to join the test net. The previous two airdrops for GammaX and Supra Oracles were easy. You perform some tasks, essentially join some missions, simple enough. Here it's a little bit more technical. We need to join a real testnet and use bridges and that kind of thing. But that being said, there is a great user guide that takes you through all the steps. You get there by clicking on the orange Join Alpha Testnet button. After that, connect an EVM wallet such as Rabby or MetaMask. However, make sure to remove any previous versions of the Scroll network and then reset the network and continue. At this point, you need to connect your wallet first to layer 1. This is the Goerli testnet, and to layer 2, the Scroll Alpha testnet. Once you're all set up, you can start testing things like bridging, which by the way is the most important part of the testing, and you can track the results on the following 3 explorers: Rollup Explorer, L1 Explorer, and L2 Explorer. Let me know what you think about airdrops in general, guys. Is it a little bit over your head? Is it worth the hassle? Do you maybe associate risk with these kinds of endeavors? Let us know in the comments below. Best of luck, of course, if you do choose to participate in these. Once again, best practice, as always, is to use a burner wallet. Let us know how it goes.